What is up guys, welcome to the Urban Riders channel. Today we'll be working on this Yamaha BWS. Okay, so let's go through what we'll be installing. So we've got a Malossi Multivar 2000. That's the variator drive. That's just going to give it longer legs. It's going to be quite awesome. Then we've got a Malossi Kevlar belt. This is just a replacement to an OEM. Nothing special. Not going to give much of a performance gain, so that's not a problem. Got these lighter rollers because the stock one comes with 11 gram rollers, and with an exhaust that we're going to be fitting as well, we're going to want to go with a lighter roller to get the RPMs up. We also have some serviceable items. We've got a stock air filter that we need to put into the airbox, and we've got some brake pads. And then last but definitely not least, we've got this awesome CRP exhaust pipe made here in South Africa, custom made. Sounds great. It's going to look awesome. All right, let's strip it down.
Okay, so what we've discovered is it's previously been broken, and they've obviously tried to fix it with some hot glue or some super glue. So we're gonna have to swap this piece out for probably a new one or a second-hand one and see what we can do.
Yeah.
So you have to put it on a stand. There it goes. So don't slide down. No, it hasn't clicked. It has to turn by hand. You know, let me go up. So make sure it's flat, right?
Yeah.
Gently go backwards, and you'll feel it go tunk.
Okay.
It'll click, and then when it's done that, then you can start going the other way.
Like that.
Yeah. Turn. See there.
Yeah. I see now.
Go a bit more. Cool. 16.5. It mustn't be under 16.
Okay.
Cool. Ta-da-da-da. Let's see what this one is.
What is it?
17.5. So it's one more thicker, and then it's going to go on this way. So we're going to pull this out, shove it in. Oh, forget it. Cool. Now we're going to go fit it.
All right, let's go.
Let's do this other one. So let's take this one. To the hole.
Yeah.
What?
How did that happen? Only there.
Because we need to snorkel. It's missing.
Do we have a snorkel?
Isn't it? Yes. Can't run them without these.
Yeah.
They go slower.
Yeah.
So what happens is it's sucking the air, and the air is directly hitting the filter.
Oh, it's just blowing a hole through.
So it's just pummeling the thing. It just blows straight through.
Oh, okay.
So it's like it's fraught. This is how you check it. If you do this, it mustn't tear.
Alright, cool. We're going to start with the exhaust now.
So as I install this exhaust system, I want to explain to you the performance gain you can get from this CRP exhaust and other performance two-stroke pipes like this one. This specific pipe is made locally here in Cape Town by CRP. Unfortunately, you cannot get these anymore, which makes them quite valuable and rare, but it's an awesome pipe nonetheless. This exhaust is quite amazing. Keep in mind that the stock BWS is about 7.5 horsepower standard. This exhaust gains an additional 3 horsepower, which is absolutely insane for what it is. That's a 30 to 40% increase in power just from an exhaust. With the Malossi drive, which gives the scooter the longer legs, they thrive.
Alright guys, well there you have it, BWS build complete. Before we ride it, I just want to say thank you so much for watching. If you are enjoying this content, we hope to make a lot more in the future. So consider subscribing, consider liking. Let us know in the comments down below what you think, what we should do. Give us any feedback, we'd appreciate it. So without further ado, let's ride this bike.